Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am here with a epic fail video. I was supposed to post this video at 10 a.m. and I had forgotten. So I'm redoing my video and I'm coming on to apologize for my lateness. But I do want to share the project that I created. I sat here trying to figure out what to do, and I was going through my stash, and I remember I had bought these napkins several months back, and I just bought it because I love bears, and it was just adorable. And then it was in the party section, so these were those cupcake picks, and I tried to take these picks out, and some of them came out pretty easy, some did not. But I wanted to make something with this because I haven't touched it since I bought it. And I've been on a kick of these little folders, and I thought, oh, I have a ton of index cards. So I used a 4x6 index card. Yeah, do you see the boo-boo there? Covered it with the napkin, and I did the Mod Podge technique. You could use the cellophane technique. You know, I've done that too. I just didn't have my little iron to iron it on. But I like this version. It gives a good protection to the card. And I stamped with my new stamp set that I just bought from Hobby Lobby. Stamped the script with my script from Hobby Lobby, that big stamp that's shown once before. I added the bear, and I covered up the little hole that was poking out, and I covered it with a heart. So it goes with Hearts All Year, hosted by Susan at Susan Heartstrings and Terry over at Talon's Place. I'll link everybody's description down below. I added an eyelet. I'm going to dangle. I'm going to have to find something to dangle, probably a heart on this corner. I just thought I wanted to use my my little keychain here. And you can make it any size you want. I made it this small because I didn't want it hanging too low. And then I made pockets. These pockets were made with the 3x5 index cards, and I covered it with the napkin as well, inking the edges. I stamped inside here as well. I just think these were so cute. And I love these. I can put, ephemera in here, tickets, goodies, anything you want, add it and stick it in the mail and send it to somebody. Or you can put your ATCs in here, anything, I just think it's just a really cute little folder. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Jamie, I will do better next month, and have a great week. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye.